Now next up, we would move to WordPress post and pages. Okay, so if I'm to go to the administrative dashboard right now, and we have this all in play, and just for record purpose, I'm going to log out. Okay, and then I'm going to toggle this off to show us how I got here, just in case you get lost somehow. Now if I off my XAMPP, okay, now basically if I am starting, this is how everything is going to look like. Perhaps I just switched off my computer and on it back. My XAMPP will be off. Remember, you need to start Apache and MySQL since we're doing this locally. Okay, now if we're to do this on live server, I won't face this challenge. And one of the reasons why I'm doing this on a local server is just to make us say that we can actually customize our site locally before taking it live. Okay, we could do all the design we want, and when we're okay with the way it looks on our local computer, we can take it live and hassle free. Okay, no stress. And also, we are doing all of this without an internet connection because our computer is having both as the host and as the domain. Your host is your computer, or your server right now is your computer. Okay, so this makes the work a lot more easier. So back to business, I'm just gonna on this. Okay, I think I have done that, and go back to 127.0.0.1/WordPress. Great. And then next up I'm gonna go to is my WP administrative board. Now on the left navigation panel, you'll notice we have posts and pages. Okay, now these two looks kind of similar, but there's more like an obvious difference, which we're going to specify in this video. When it comes to creating content for your WordPress site, you have the option to choose between creating either a post or a page. Okay, both have their respective uses and can add dynamic elements to your site. But there are still some differences which we would still explain in no time. A WordPress post is what makes up the blog aspect of your site, and these are generally news or informational updates about a certain topic. Key posts are listed in reverse chronological order and can be tagged, categorized, or even archived on your website. WordPress posts are what make up the RSS content of your WordPress blog. So when someone subscribes to your RSS feeds, your post will be the content that's delivered to them. Okay, I want you to think of the post as the news portion of your site. They are dynamically and constantly changing to your end users. Okay, while a WordPress page could be something similar to a post, but just that they are generally reserved for static content or information. And then example of a page we'll talk about is an about me, or a contact us, or a privacy policy page, or services we render page. And pages aren't listed by date and can't be categorized or tagged like WordPress posts. While pages can have a hierarchy, which means we can nest pages under other pages by making one the parent or of the other. Due to the static nature, pages aren't included in RSS feed and won't have date or time publishing. Generally, posts will be used for your blog content and pages will be used for your standalone information that's not often updated. You see, for example, organization might use posts to handle news updates, press releases, job listings, or new products. But they'll use a page to list and about information and the rest. So WordPress is flexible and you can use posts and pages however you want, but it gives you a basic overview of how they work. So basically right now, I'm just going to show us this on live on the screen. If you go to posts, we see we have all posts, add new, categories and tags. And now if you go to page, you see all pages, add new. Now we don't have the category and tag in this page section. Okay, so that's it. I would like to give us a quick view of how the tool looks like. Okay, so this is a page, okay, and this is a post. And if we were to add a new post, let me just go ahead to do that and come in to add a new post, a new page. You see that they are a lot more similar to each other. Okay, and the difference are what we just explained some second ago. Okay, so if you still don't understand the difference between these two, I would urge you to pause the video and go back to play and listen again so you get a full understanding of what the difference is between a WordPress post and a WordPress page. Okay, I'm gonna call off the shots here, and on the next video we're gonna look more into the WordPress posts. Okay, so we're gonna explain everything and we'll see how to create some amazing content for our website. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.